Hello guys, this is Brad. Today one of my ebooks, How to Lose 40 Pounds Naturally, and 5 unrecognized but efficient method. Yeah, if you have a hard time to lose weight, this book is available for 4 days for free, so feel free to download. As I wrote in the prologue, I think I put my driver's license photo except information. I used to be 165 pound. Right now I'm about 125 pound. And it's been like this for 3-4 years right now. So just try my method if you have a hard time to lose weight. Link is below.